Hello, I'm Marion Villeneuve. I am from France. I study protoplanetary disks, which are places where planets are forming, to understand where, when and how do planets form. In my study, I followed the French system very closely. I did 2 years of preparatory class in Lyon, where I applied for engineering school. I went then to an engineering school in Toulouse, which is called Supaéro. This was studying aeronautics, space, and all engineering topics. However, I didn't get very excited about engineering topics, and so during the last year, I studied also astrophysics. I did a master in astrophysics. During my time in Supaéro, between the second and third year, we had the opportunity to do internships. And so I did one internship trying to understand what type of physics I like the most. I did one internship in particle physics and one internship in astrophysics. After doing both, astrophysics seemed simpler conceptually, and so this is why I oriented my career toward astrophysics. So after my master in astrophysics, I started a PhD, which I did 1 year at IPAG in Grenoble, and then 2 years at ESO, so the European Southern Observatory in Chile. After my PhD, I obtained a NASA postdoctoral fellowship, where I went to JPL in California at NASA. Then, after this postdoc, which lasted 3 years, I went to the University of Milan for 1 year. After finishing my PhD, starting 2 years after I finished my PhD, more or less, I started to apply for a CNRS position, permanent researcher. And so when I was in Milan, I was lucky to get accepted to this position. And so now I am a permanent researcher at IPAG, my lab where I did 1 year of my PhD.